Catherine again, and today I'm going to show you how to do some minor editing to your Aniplan printable inserts. To do this, you're going to need the Silhouette Studio Designer Edition. If you have the basic free download, it will not work with that software. You need the Designer Edition or higher because the basic one cannot open PDFs, but the others can. So to get started, I'm going to find the file I want. This is the January Little Bits kit, digital kit, and this month Lay partnered with Aniplans to make some inserts for us. They're going to match the kit. Now I've picked the one I want, and you can choose the different pages. So if I wanted to, I could in theory open all of these in here and I could print from Silhouette, but I'm just going to open this one. Okay, I hit import. And for my convenience, I just like to move it to the center of the page, because we will need to center it to the page to print it, because you're going to be printing from here unless you have like the very, very fancy software where you can export as a PDF. You'll have to print from here, but that's okay. So first we're going to, it's already highlighted, right click and hit ungroup. Now what's wonderful about this is while the January kit does contain matching inserts, most months do not. So you will get digital papers in your kit. As you can see, I have every digital kit that she's ever done. I am a longtime fan, and I'm just going to choose the one I want, and it's as simple as that. Highlight, click the one I want, and there we go. This was from the summer. I think this one was called Hey Kate. This is the weekly insert, so type, weekly. And this is great if you have like horrible chicken scratch writing like I do. And I know exactly which font I want. This is PN Peanut Butter and Honey. I feel like this font really complements Lay's artwork well. And I'm going to go with this bright pink. And now you don't have to change the line color. However, if you were doing other things and you've added a weight to the line, you do need to change it, otherwise you'll get the red line around it, because once you've added a weight to it, it doesn't matter what color it is. It will print that color. So just as a habit, I like to add a color to the line that matches. And then I just center it there, and I can print. I'd group it. And print, because this particular one is an A6 and it would print horizontally on my page, in my printer, I would rotate it and center it to the page so that everything's going to line up perfectly. And this way, no matter what printable insert you're using, you can have a cover that matches the rest of your planner. Okay? Hope this helped you guys. Bye!